I was running a construction business at the time, and the economy crashed in 2008 and 9. And a good friend of mine was in a bid meeting, and he was bidding on the air conditioning, and he was the only contractor in the room with 2 phones ringing the entire time. He goes, "Jason, I can't answer the phones fast enough." I said, "Well, would you hire me?" And I went to work for him and learned that air conditioning is recession-proof for the most part. And after kind of talking to him and working with him, he was an RSI graduate, and I was really impressed on a lot of the jobs that we go on. And he would diagnose the equipment and talk to the customer and calm them down and make them happy and get them cooling. And it just seemed like a really cool business to own. And worked for him for a couple of years and decided I needed to go to school so I could learn what he learned. And once I graduated RSI, I decided that, hey, I think I can do what he was doing. Starting out in the beginning, it was just me in a truck. We were able to run calls and create good service for clients to keep referring us. And it really allowed us to start to hire and grow the business. Well, the best part about owning my own business has really been, the short-term ones were the customer wins that we had each day. Taking care of that customer, making them happy, getting out there quickly. The bigger and more the long-term one is the teammates and the family members. I guess when I was in that truck, I just never thought that I could have this many people working like a family. It's just cool to see guys go from an apprenticeship to a master technician. And then you get to watch their lives change in the background. It's just been a dream since I've been a kid to have a shop and be able to give back, I just really like to be able to help people. The type of advice that I would give someone that was younger that wanted to start their own business was, at the end of the day, if your ultimate goal was to create happy customers and happy employees, you've got a pretty good shot at running a company and being successful. Hi, I'm Jason Williamson. I own Suntech Air, and I'm proud to be an RSI graduate.